So this staircase, they're the ones which lead down to the campsite where we are camping, which is right next to the waterfalls, the one you can see down there. So you have to go all the way down, and then you'll get to the campsite where I'll be pitching a tent. So just look at that. The waterfalls are so beautiful. I love waterfalls, so sleeping next to them will be amazing. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Anna and welcome to the Adventurous. Today's adventure, we are in Sagana, a place called Jangwani campsite, and as you can hear from the background, those are waterfalls. So today we are camping right next to the waterfalls. How amazing is that? I love waterfalls, so camping here is like a dream come true. So I hope you'll enjoy the adventure, and in case you're new here, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment down there. Let me know what you think about camping, because I love camping and I hope you also love camping and you'll enjoy my experience. Let's do this. Whoa, just look at this. These are the waterfalls, and this is what I'm waking up to in the morning. This is just the perfect way to get away from Nairobi, to just come here and relax, and yeah, you will love all this. These are the camping grounds. There's a group that is camping over there, and then for us it is on this side next to the waterfalls. So yeah, so here we have cottages. If you don't want to camp in the tents, you can just sleep in the cottages, they have them, or you can just camp on the ground with the tents. And for us, we chose to camp on the ground, and this is our tent, which is right next to the waterfalls. Here are the waterfalls, which is it's very exciting sleeping next to the waterfalls, because you sleep with the sounds, and then you wake up to the same sounds, and it's very therapeutic. So yep. This is our dinner. This is mokimo, and that is kachumbari. So we are trying to eat healthy. There's no ugali today, so come enjoy with us. So this is where the bonfire will be. They have just set it up, and then they're coming later to light it. So this is the before. And this is after. Now they have lit up the bonfire. Now it's time to keep warm. Let's see how it goes. Good morning. This is the beautiful view in the morning. These are the waterfalls, and that is what you wake up to. And the sound, look at this. So as usual, we are taking a morning hike just to make sure we stretch our legs and to keep fit. Just a small nature walk, it's not a long hike. This is another beautiful view. You can see the hills across there. I'm not sure of the name of the hill, so I won't lie to you, but just enjoy the view. This is the river from the other side. You can see the tents over there. That is where we are camping, but now we've taken a hike and gone all the way around the river to the other side. You can see the tents. It's on the other side. The waterfalls. So these are the first two, and then there's another one back there. In total, there are three. Three of them. One, two. So just like we came down the staircase, it's time to go up the same staircase. Because right now we are leaving the campsite, so we have to go all the way up the staircase. So come with me. Even though I'm the only one who is exercising, you can just have fun watching them. Bye.